You're receiving the CyberStreams system update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update: can MSPs ignore Windows 10's 2025 end of life? Recently, I've become aware of some third-party services for Microsoft vulnerability patching and support services, namely Zero Patch and US Cloud. These services are very interesting to me because they offer to provide solutions to advanced security services and high-end application support at prices without restrictions, which make them very compelling compared to Microsoft Direct services. Zero Patch is a service that creates what it calls micropatches, that is, patches which run in memory when a vulnerable application is run and do not alter the application's code in the way that the application vendor, such as Microsoft or Adobe, etc., updates do. They do this for all sorts of Microsoft and third-party applications, versions, and ages of software. This is a compelling offering because it would allow CyberStreams to offer clients the ability to use old versions of software indefinitely by rendering known security vulnerabilities inert, and to do so across a wide range of vendors, software titles, and versions of software. For instance, no need to update those old Windows 10 computers when October 2025 rolls around, just apply micropatches, right? But patching is only half the issue. The other issue is what to do if critical support is needed on out-of-date and unsupported software. Of primary concern are servers or anything hosting vulnerable data and applications, and regulatory compliance. US Cloud offers Microsoft-centric support services intended to directly compete with Microsoft's own support offerings, and they claim to do so at a little more than half the price. In those instances where they are unable to resolve an issue, they can escalate to Microsoft support as needed, which they claim happens about 18% of the time. This reminds me of how we engage with our cloud distribution partner Pax 8 for Microsoft Cloud licensing and support. They can escalate to Microsoft as needed, but they generally provide a higher level of service than Microsoft would provide directly when escalation isn't required. So this all sounds good, right? I've got some concerns, and I'd be interested to hear anyone else's thoughts on this. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, 18% of the time. So what happens when you have a critical error with an out of support Microsoft SQL application, which needs to be escalated to Microsoft support for resolution? US Cloud follows the same software lifecycle as Microsoft and offers only best effort support for end-of-life products. Second, regulatory compliance. Security frameworks and regulations tend to require vendor-supported software and patches. It's unlikely that Zero Patch's micropatches or US Cloud's best effort support would meet the requirements. And third, 3 more years. In October 2025, you can choose to either live outside of Windows 10 support, upgrade to Windows 11, or purchase up to 3 more years of extended security updates from Microsoft. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your CyberFit score using our proprietary CyberFit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStreams system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.